I'm going to place another position here long on the Dow. Let's see what we get. Stop here at the lows. Let's see if we can get a nice winning trade on stream. So about an 80-point stop, give or take. We'll see if we can get a little bit of a move to the high side. I definitely like this. I definitely do like the longs on it today, right? 80, 90-point stop. We continue to hold here, hold my levels. We're not breaking down. So I definitely do like the continued longs here today. On NASDAQ, in the last 5 years, when we break the previous days, take out previous days highs, 77% of the time it closes a bullish day. That's a pretty good odd. And then we can even look at our weekday on a Wednesday, 80% of the time in the last 5 years. We can look at year to date as well. 89% of the time when we take out previous days highs, do we actually close as a bullish day? So pretty good statistics here to be on your side, right? Me sticking to one side of the market has helped me so much. Why look to fight this bias, right? We've moved up yesterday. We haven't taken out yesterday's lows. I like using current day's VWAP as well as yesterday's VWAP. For my bias, we're trading above yesterday's intraday VWAP still. We just need a little bit more of a pullback. That's literally it. Nothing really much to that. Then the market can't go up in one direction. So I was playing the longs. If we had to continue coming lower here today, I'll just stay out of it. Cool. New half day now on the Dow. We're looking good. We're looking really, really good, guys. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Nice trading on the Dow. Let's get some more W's in the chat for me on the Dow. That's a nice trade. I'll take that.